question 5 reads, if x minus 2 the whole squared minus 6 into x minus 2 plus 9 equals 0, what is the value of x? What we need to understand is that this fancy looking equation right here is really just a quadratic. It's really in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals plus c. And so the reason why it doesn't look that way is because x actually in this equation is x minus 2. And so the idea of solving this question quickly, we could do a slower method of expanding everything and solving, but the way I like doing it is really making this equation look like this directly. And the way we do that is we take x minus 2 and we equate it to a variable. Let's say our variable is a. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this equation and it becomes a squared minus 6a plus 9 equals 0. And now this is very easy to solve in the sense that we can use the sum and product, right? Sum and product method. Or we could use a quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. But if you're super duper good at finding patterns, you should be able to recognize that if we simplify this, or rather factorize it, it becomes a minus 3 squared equals 0, because this is what we like to call a perfect square. And so, as a perfect square, a will equal 3 for both solutions. Obviously, a is something that we created. A equals x minus 2. So essentially, x minus 2 equals 3. And what does the question ask for? It asks for x, not x minus 2. So obviously, we know that b is not the answer. X is going to be 5 as we added both sides. 2. We added 2 to both sides and x equals 5. And so our answer is going to be C.